The Tiny Farmhouse rustic charm in a small package. Imagine waking up to the soft creak of wood floors, the scent of fresh herbs growing by your window, and sunlight streaming through charming barn-style windows. The Tiny Farmhouse brings all the warmth and nostalgia of country living into a compact, beautifully designed home. It's proof that you don't need a sprawling estate to enjoy the rustic charm of farmhouse life. This tiny treasure is the perfect blend of old-world aesthetics and modern functionality, creating a homey retreat that feels like it's straight out of a storybook. From the outside, the Tiny Farmhouse welcomes you with its classic pitched roof shiplap siding and inviting front porch. It's the kind of place that just begs for a rocking chair and a steaming cup of coffee. Step inside and you'll find that every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed to evoke comfort and simplicity. The living area features exposed wooden beams and a cozy seating area that doubles as storage. With a compact wood-burning stove, you'll be ready to curl up with a book or enjoy a quiet evening with friends, no matter the season. The kitchen is where the Tiny Farmhouse truly shines. Imagine a farmhouse sink surrounded by butcher block counters with open shelving that displays your favorite rustic dishware. The designers have cleverly integrated pull-out drawers and foldable surfaces, giving you plenty of space to prep your favorite recipes. There's even a little dining nook that's perfect for morning pancakes or a candlelit dinner. Every detail, from the copper fixtures to the handmade tiles, whispers of a simpler, more intentional way of life. Upstairs, the lofted bedroom feels like a cozy haven, complete with soft linens and views of the surrounding landscape. The natural materials and warm tones make it a space where you can truly unwind. And if you step outside, you'll find a small garden area ready for herbs, flowers, or even a couple of chickens if that's your thing. The Tiny Farmhouse isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a way to embrace the beauty of simple living while staying connected to nature. With this little gem, you can bring a piece of the countryside wherever you go, proving that home is truly where the heart is.